There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of making your own pizza at home, from scratch. With fresh ingredients at your fingertips and creative freedom, you can craft a pizza that suits your taste to perfection. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your homemade pizza is a culinary masterpiece. The first step in making homemade pizza is preparing the dough. Start by dissolving yeast in warm water, allowing it to bloom until it becomes foamy. This process helps to ensure a light and airy crust. Gradually mix in flour, salt, and a splash of olive oil, kneading the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Let it rise in a warm, draft-free spot until it doubles in size, which usually takes about an hour. While the dough is rising, take the time to prepare your toppings. Choose fresh, high-quality ingredients to elevate your pizza. Slice tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers, and grate some mozzarella cheese. For a more gourmet touch, consider adding prosciutto, arugula, or even figs. The combination of toppings is endless, only limited by your imagination. After the dough has risen, preheat your oven to its highest setting, typically around 500 degree, 160 degree. A hot oven is crucial for a crisp, golden crust. Gently stretch and shape the dough into a circle, or your preferred shape on a floured surface. Transfer it to a pizza stone or baking sheet, which will help achieve that perfect crust texture. Spread a layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. The sauce is the canvas, and now it's time to create your masterpiece. Sprinkle on the cheese, then add your chosen toppings. Be generous but not overwhelming. Balance is key to a harmonious flavor profile. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for 10-15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. This short bake time ensures that the toppings remain fresh and the dough is perfectly cooked. Keep an eye on your pizza as it bakes to avoid burning the crust. Once your pizza is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. This resting period allows the cheese to set slightly, making it easier to cut and serve. Finish off with a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of fresh basil for an extra layer of flavor. With a little practice, you'll be able to make pizza at home that rivals your favorite pizzeria. Each step, from mixing the dough to adding the toppings, contributes to the delicious end result. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and enjoy the process of creating a homemade pizza that is sure to impress and satisfy.